demonstration of the custom VS Code extension to perform local code reviews using the custom style guide in the prompt that is stored in the secret manager. This is the custom commands that will be available inside the VS Code. So I'm showing here too to review the selected code and also add a comment. Once you run this command, this would be the output. So we're specifically checking for three things. We want to make sure we're using our login library that we want to use. We want to make sure the code is documented, and we want to make sure the copyright header is included in the files, right? Based on this review, we identify the missing elements. We provide the recommendation to the developer to address those. And this is the prompt that is stored in the secret manager that the extension is using to run the review. I'm going to switch to the code to demonstrate that. I'm going to select the code here um, and we'll select the review selected code command. And the output of the review will be, yep, it's right here just in the file. This is, again, this is the prompt in the secret manager. This is a command to create that secret manager. There's a sample file in the repo that you can use. And this is the setup for the to develop the extension. Once you clone the repo, cd to the Devai VS Code extension, install the dependency, compile the extension, and then you can do run and start debugging on the top level menu and select VS Code extension development. And after that, you will be able to test it. And once you're done, you can publish the extension. You will need to install the CLI, and then you can package the extension, and then you can distribute to your team, and they will be able to install it from the extension menu. Go into the extensions, install the VCRX file. Thank you.